Here it is, all finished. When I was deciding on a theme for this year for my main tree, I decided on gold, but I wasn't sure of what it was going to look like. But now that it's up, I actually like it. So I finished it off with a gold star on the top. I bought that last year on sale and figured I would use it for this year. And probably 80% gold and then a few pops of purple color. And then on top of it, I put a lot of icicles and a lot of hearts and stars and snowflakes and all kinds of goodies. Some are new and some are old. I bought this year this tree collar down here underneath. It says Christmas trees or Farm Fresh Christmas trees, and it's being covered up a little bit by these ornaments, but I'm gonna move some. But overall, I think it turned out great. All right, guys, I hope you're having a Merry Christmas and a great New Year. I will see you in the next one.